In this video, I'm going to show you how to take partials on cTrader mobile app. Now to do this, first you want to open up the app and you want to go to the trade button at the bottom left, and then from here you want to go to the positions tab up top, which is the second tab. Now in here you want to find your position where you want to take partials or take partial profit. I'm going to go with this XAU USD position over here, which I opened up for this test, and of course it's the first one on my list. So you don't want to tap on the X button, but you want to instead tap anywhere else on your position. So I'm going to tap over here in the middle, and as you can see here it says quantity lots. Now if I go ahead and change this number 10 over here to, for example, 6, as you can see down at the bottom it's going to say sell 4 lots, and it's going to move this position from buy 10 lots to buy 6 lots, okay, which means I've essentially taken partial profit. Now I could take, for example, 8 as well over here, and I would be able to sell 2 lots, and I've taken partial profit as well. So for this one I'm just going to take 4, for example. I'm going to sell 4, and of course I'm going to sell 6, and then 4 are going to remain. So as you can see at the bottom it says to modify position from buy 10 to buy 4. I'm going to simply tap on that, and it's going to start closing, and there we go, it says position closed. And you can see on my list over here I now only have 4 lots worth of XAU USD because 6 of them basically got closed because I've taken partials. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.